Are you drowning in tabs, jumping between a tutorial, a meme, that one assignment you really should start, lectures blurring together, concepts feeling like they're just sliding off your brain? Is this your life as a computer science student? You're putting in the time, maybe. You're busy, definitely. But are you actually building anything? Are you mastering anything? Or are you just spinning your wheels? Be honest. This field is hard. It demands focus. It demands more than just showing up. And right now, maybe you're not giving it that more. It's time to stop playing around the edges of your potential. It's time to activate beast mode. It's time to lock in. What is this locking in now, you must be thinking? Is it really studying harder? Grinding non-stop, watching non-stop tutorials, and just opening many tabs, jumping from one tutorial to other? No, that's a fast track to burnout. And trust me, we don't want that. We really don't want that. The locking in is about intentionality. It's about focus. It's about cutting out the noise and directing all that mental energy, that potential you know you have directly onto the target, which is building something, anything you enjoy. It's deciding for the next amount of time. This is the only thing that exists. This is the only thing, only game that exists, and I need to build this game from start or this app from start. No notifications, no quick check, no simultaneous YouTube tutorial scrolling either through TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Block everything. It's the difference between dabbling and dedication. It's moving from passively consuming information through tutorials to actively possessing and applying it. It's how you level up from a student who survives their serious degree to a student who absolutely dominates, goes into their field, and becomes a 10x illegal engineer who everybody worships like a god. How to actually do it? The actionable step. Okay, okay. This sounds great, right? Just focus. Easier said than done. So, how do you actually trigger this lock in mode? First, define your mission. You can't lock into everything at once. Pick one course, one concept, like linked list or dynamic programming, one project you're building. What is the single most important thing right now? Just start it. It doesn't even have to be the single most important thing right now. Just start with something you wish to learn or you wish to build and just start. Don't think about the pros and cons of building this first or that first. Just start. Second, create your fortress. Your environment matters. Put your phone on silent, better yet, in another room altogether. Close all unnecessary tabs, even from your brain. Think of just the thing you're building right now, not how am I gonna clear this exam or do this lecture. What should I do after this? No. Close every single tab from your mind as well as from your screen. Only the tabs you need to work on. Tell roommates or family you need uninterrupted time. Make the physical space reflect your mental goal. Third point, schedule the seat. Don't wait for inspiration. Schedule your lock-in session. Create them like an unskippable meeting. 30 minutes, 60 minutes. Start small, but make it recurring. Consistently is really the key here. Fourth, engage like your grade depends on it, because it actually does. This is where magic happens. Don't just read, don't just watch, do it. Working through a problem, draw it out, talk through your logic out loud, like I do on my YouTube channel. You can see on my videos. I clearly draw out the logic, explain it to myself and to others, like you people. Learning a concept, try to explain it back to an imaginary friend or a rubber duck or a teddy, whatever you want, or even your friends. Watching a tutorial, pause it. To try to implement the code yourself before they show you. Try to feel it like a movie climax. You try to decode it before they show it to you. Break it, fix it, do everything with the code, and then see what they actually plan to do with it, and how yours was different. Like you compare your movie climax scenarios. This active engagement, it forces your brain to create stronger connections. It's uncomfortable sometimes. Yeah, you'll get stuck. You'll feel dumb for a second. But everybody does that. It's part of learning. There's That's where you're gonna be achieving the building part. That's that struggle, that's the friction that builds your strength. That's the sound of you leveling up. Finally, plan your escape. Just as important as locking in is knowing when to stop. Schedule breaks. Finish the session with a quick review of what you already accomplished. Acknowledge the win. You can even download some productivity apps and divide your main task into small tasks and take them out while you complete them. Acknowledge the wins. That will give the necessary dopamine to you to continue on with this process. This isn't about becoming a code writing robot. It's about maximizing the time you do spend so you have more time for, well, whatever else you want to do. The payoff. Why this changes everything. So why bother with all this structured intensity? Because the payoff is literally insane. When you lock in consistently, you build genuine understanding, not just surface level knowledge. You develop problem solving muscles that atrophy when you are constantly distracted. You start to connect the dots between different subjects. You build projects you're actually proud of. You tackle harder problems and don't immediately give up. That imposter syndrome, it shrinks when you have tangible proof of your capabilities built through focused effort. You move from feeling like you're pretending to know CS to actually knowing CS. You unlock that potential you knew was there. It feels powerful. It feels efficient. It feels like you're finally using your brain to its full capacity. Listen, the distractions will always be there. The easy way out is always an option. But you're not here for easy, actually. You're here to build something, to understand something, to become something. Stop waiting for motivation. It follows action. Pick that one thing, set that timer, create that fortress, and for the next block of time, lock it in. There is no need for motivation. That is your motivation, picking something up and doing it. Your future self will definitely thank you. Now go level up, achieve your dream. Bye bye. See you next time.